My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting charity. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jodeci cry for you.
The weather has actually been crazy. This is how the weather has been the whole day. Let me show you. Scary.
You want me to like controller. Yeah, like controller.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it has been a gloomy day, and I just didn't want to do anything, to be honest with you. But I'm not sure if I should make like oxtail or have noodles. I did order on Uber Eats, but this shop has no pictures, so I'm hoping that it's the correct noodles. I do have some oxtail that was defrosting and some mince. The mince was more so for like meal prep, because I want to be eating that throughout the week. So regardless, I have to cook something. So I think I'm gonna cook the mince in the meantime, and then do some baking. And yeah, until the noodles arrive, and I'm sure that it's the correct noodles, because I do have to eat something at the end of the day, and it's not going to be immense. Okay, so let's do that. Let me drink some water.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my own. Got me with a leash, she sold me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me. Got lost me alone, baby, if you need it, show it. And if you ever need it or want it, I got you, you know that. I'm down and I'm clowning in my sorrows, babe. Hey, yeah, you don't miss me, babe. I'm always trying to miss me, babe. There's been somebody else since me, babe. Think I might do the same, don't tempt me, baby. Hit the party and get friendly. Honestly, no, I don't got it in me. It's no you tell me there's no way? 'Cause you tell me there's no way. Guess it's over now. If you think I don't know right now, can we slow it down and sort it out? You got love for me, little mom, baby, need it, Charlie. And if you ever need it or want it, I got you, you know it. And if you ever home alone, need a little company, I'll sleep by your. Maybe I'll be right, yeah.
Morning. I'm up, but I worked till late last night, unexpectedly. So it's now 10 past 10, and I have a meeting at 11 o'clock online. So I'm just honestly gonna just chill and watch TV until that time, um, and then probably start working after. Yeah, Goba. I am tired and I'm a bit annoyed because I was not supposed to be working till that late is all, but I did. So it took away from like what I was planning. Like I was baking, I was, cooking. Like I just wanted to chill. Okay, but it is what it is. So yeah.
MT, you made this?
It's gonna be very dramatic. I'm shooting at Checkers and I have to go shop for what's this thing? For Vaseline in couture at Checkers. Say things we do for content.
Yeah. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby.
You guys, I am fetching my sisters because they are going to be extras in my video. So yeah, that time didn't quite back it 2 days late. And I'm gonna be in that dramatic dress in this car. Lol.
Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, pride of the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, pride of the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just up inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I?